I'm really excited to introduce Swivelo Genesis 1, the easiest bait caster ever made. Just grab your reel, pick your luckiest lure and fish. It's as easy as that. We will get you fishing in no time. No need to use your thumb, nothing to adjust, and you can cast as long as with any other bait caster. Fishing with a traditional bait caster is far from easy, and unless you spend countless of hours trying to master the technology, it will master you and you will get a lot of backlash. You have to do all these adjustments when changing lure or when wind conditions change. And oh, don't forget to use your thumb when the lure hits the water.
So I have been fishing with this reel for a time now, and I must say I'm very impressed. The technique is bulletproof. I have no single backslash, and I really tried to make it flip out, but it works. It's bulletproof.
A fantastic reel. I have tried this now for a while, and I think it's the best way to get into fishing with this type of reels. It's totally tangle free and it's easy to use. So if you don't have something like this in your armory, get one.
Now we need your support to get the final pieces in place, push the manufacturing button and deliver the reels to you in September. Please back us and make Genesis 1 a reality.